In this session, I'll cover how to download, install, and run the License Type Analysis by Roles app. First thing you want to do is go to our iShare site. That can be found on the support page. Click here on the community globe. And go to LiveCompare group, Files, Apps. And it's this one here, License Type Analysis by Role. There are two prerequisites. Performance history data must be collected in your production RFC. And there's also an Excel file that we'll have to upload. And that Excel file is contained within the zip file. So the first step is to click here on Download. And then copy this file out to your desktop. So you have one zip file and one Excel file. Next, we log on to LiveCompare with editor access. Right-click on App Store, Import App. And choose the zip file. Click Upload and save. Next, we have to upload the report template. Choose the Excel file and click Upload. Next, we have to identify and prioritize our allotments. So create a spreadsheet. I have mine on my desktop called Allotments. And make it a 4-column spreadsheet. First column is priority, second is description, third is ID, and the fourth is the allotment. Now I have 3 different license types here, professional, limited, and employee. First, I'm going to plug in my ID here. To do that, if you don't know it offhand, you can find it in table TUTYP. And I'm concerned, or I have purchased professionals, which is 52, limited professional, which is 53, and employee, which is 54. So go into your spreadsheet, type in the appropriate IDs. Now this will be different for everybody. That's why this doesn't come pre-populated. Next, you have to prioritize your license types. So the most significant priority would be 1, followed by 2, and the third one here is my least significant priority. And some companies will have more than 3. I see on average about 4 or 5 license types per customer. And the last thing we have to do here is plug in our allotments. These are the number of seats that you've purchased through SAP. Now, IntelliCorp won't be able to help you find this information. Somebody at your local site will have it, maybe the manager within security. Let's save that. The next thing we need to do is prioritize all of our roles that we use in production. You may have thousands of roles, and what you want to do is assign them a priority based on, do the roles belong to professional, limited, professional, or employee. To do that, I'm going to have a look at table agar text, agar_text. And here's a list of my roles. I'm going to copy and paste them into a spreadsheet. Okay, create a new Excel file and call this role_priority. And there are 2 columns, agar name and priority. Okay, there's a list of my roles that I'm concerned with, and then I just prioritize. So those are my full professional rules. Those are my limited professional rules. And these are my employee rules. Click Save. Open LiveCompare. Expand Data. Right-click on External Data Source. Select New External Data Source. The name has to be Role Priority. And then click Show Sample Data. And you'll notice your agger name, your role name, and your priorities here. Okay, next just verify that you've collected performance history data in your production environment. So choose production, and you want to see under the data summary some records here, and last updated within the last month or so. Okay, now we can go to the app interface, go to the App Store, and install license type analysis by role. Choose production here. Delete all of this. Copy in your records without the column header from your allotment spreadsheet. Then choose a start and end date for the analysis. This will be the date range for used transactions. So I'm going to start with January 1st through today. Click Save and Run. Thanks for watching.